Me-appoint timong bayong pamuntok na ng Philippine National Police o PNP, i-Police General Rommel Francisco Marbil. I-Marbil ang 30th Chief na ng PNP at yaing menalili kang General Benjamin Accordan Jr. Merapat yaing change of command at retirement ceremony ng Accorda king Kang Krame nganing Lunes, April 1. Bayong kayang pang-appoint ang timong Chief PNP, pemuntukan pong Marbil ang PNP Directorate for Controllership. 55 years old na Marbil at makasadyaya mag-retire king February 7 ning tutuking banwa ating compliance king mandatory retirement king edad of 56. Making kaklase ng Marbil Accord king Philippine Military Academy sa Bisig class of 1991.
Society in which we operate are changing, and with it, our scope of responsibility are evolving. Yet, despite all this, our goals and duties as law enforcers remain absolutely and irrevocably the same. The Philippine National Police has seen noteworthy progress and benefited from the vision, leadership, and achievements of my predecessors throughout the years. As the 30th Chief of the Philippine National Police, it is my intention to build on the strides made so far to ensure that there is both continuity and improvement, that the PNP remains effective at its job while evolving to become a modern Filipino police force for a modern Filipino society.